In this tutorial, I'm going to look at artboards and how they work in Affinity Designer. If you're not familiar with artboards, they are basically discrete design areas of any shape and size located within a single document. They have many uses, some of which are listed in the help available within Affinity Designer. There are several ways of creating artboards. With Affinity Designer open, press Command N to create a new document via the New Document dialog. Set the options to suit your needs. But if you require an artboard, select the Create Artboard option here before clicking OK. Your first artboard is created within your document and a pasteboard is created around it. To add more artboards, you will need to use the Artboard tool. Click the grey indicator in the bottom right of the Move Tools icon on the Tools panel. A pop-up will display the Artboard tool, which you can select by clicking its icon. On the Context toolbar, select an option from the Size pop-up menu and then click the Insert Artboard button. The second artboard is added to your document. If Document is selected, a new artboard is created at the same size as the currently selected or last selected artboard, or at the size of your document if no artboards are in place. If Selection is used, the artboard is created to the size of the current selection. This selection could include artboards, layers, groups, or objects. For example, if I quickly create an ellipse and leave it selected, and then switch back to the Artboard tool, using the Selection option, the Insert Artboard command will create an artboard at the ellipse's size. You can, of course, use any of the preset sizes listed in the pop-up menu. Finally, you can create a custom size artboard by simply dragging on the pasteboard using the Artboard tool. Feel free to use the Shift modifier to constrain the dimensions of the artboard to a square, and the Command modifier to create it from the centre outwards. Not only are artboards displayed in the workspace, they are also listed in the Layers panel. Okay, so now we have our document filled with artboards. Let's see what else we can do with them. To select them, click on their entry in the Layers panel, click them with the Artboard tool, or if I switch to the Move tool using V, I can click on an empty artboard, or click the artboard's label. Once an artboard is selected, it can be deleted using the Delete key or using the Remove Layer icon on the Layers panel. Note that any objects occupying an artboard are also deleted. You can also resize the artboard directly in the workspace, or by using the Transform panel. You can also reposition them anywhere in the workspace by dragging their label using the Move tool, or the actual artboard using the Artboard tool. Alternatively, you can arrange and distribute artboards by selecting them, and then using the settings from the Arrange pop-up panel on the toolbar. You can rename artboards by clicking the name on the Layers panel and then typing a new name. The name also updates in the workspace, and you can rearrange the order by dragging their entry in the Layers panel. And then, the final thing I'll show you in this tutorial is a couple of viewing options. Pressing Command 0 will set the zoom level to display all your artboards in one go. To zoom to only display one artboard, select the artboard and then press Shift Command 0. And so that's it for this tutorial. You can now go ahead and begin your design project. You can catch up with me in other tutorials where I'll be discussing other artboard features. In particular, once you have completed your design and want to share it with a client, you may wish to check out the tutorial which covers exporting and printing artboards. Thanks for watching.